Okay, so the educational requirements for my profession as a dietitian is to complete a bachelor's degree in nutrition and then get a certification as a registered dietitian through a dietetic internship. And pretty soon they're going to change that as a new requirement that you do that and then you also get your master's. What skills do you perform and what are your specialties? The skills for a dietitian in a hospital setting, anyway, are to um, oversee patients and their diet orders and give diet orders, give consultations, and communicate through the patient and the physician on what food would be best for them. And then specialties include like renal dietitians working with kidney failure patients, um, working with diabetes patients, pediatrics, pretty much any branch of the hospital a dietitian can specialize in. What further advanced degrees or specialties are available in your profession? You can also get a PhD in nutrition. Um, Specialties are like the things that I said, like in a hospital, or you can work through the government. So you can work with the SNAP program, you can work with WIC, and yeah, doing research through universities, working as a professor. What is your role in the health of the community healthcare team? So the role is pretty obvious. It's watching what the person or the community is eating and trying to make sure that it's as healthy as possible for them. Myths surrounding your field. The biggest one would be that we're all health freaks and we're going to take away the food that they like, and which is just not true. And what is the magic, passion, or sense of your field? I think it's that you could open people's eyes to healthy food and cooking with it and improving its taste and helping them learn things they might even enjoy about food, making food better to them. That's definitely what I think is magical about it.